Have you ever wondered why the price of your favorite snacks, gadgets, or even basic groceries keeps rising? It's not just random, it's driven by something called CPI inflation. But what exactly is it? And how does it silently impact your wallet every single day? In the next 5 minutes, I'll break down CPI inflation in the simplest way possible, so you can finally understand where your money goes. Stay with me because this could change how you think about your expenses. Welcome back. Let's dive right into it. What is CPI inflation? CPI stands for Consumer Price Index. It's like a giant shopping list that tracks the prices of everyday items people buy: food, clothes, rent, transportation, and more. When the prices on this list go up, that's what we call CPI inflation. Think of it as a report card for the economy, showing how the cost of living changes over time. Why does CPI inflation happen? There are a few key reasons. Demand pull inflation. When more people want products than companies can supply, prices go up. Cost push inflation. When the cost of making goods increases, like higher wages or raw material prices, businesses raise prices to cover those costs. Built-in inflation. When workers demand higher wages to keep up with living costs, businesses increase prices to pay those wages. It's like a cycle. How does CPI inflation affect you? Your money loses value. What $100 could buy last year might cost $110 this year. Savings shrink. If your money sits idle without growing, inflation eats away its value. Budgeting gets harder. Planning for future expenses becomes tricky because prices keep changing. Why should you care? Understanding CPI inflation helps you make smarter financial decisions. Invest wisely. Knowing how inflation works can guide you to investments that beat inflation. Better budgeting. Adjust your spending and saving habits to keep up with rising costs. Stay informed. You'll understand news about interest rates, government policies, and the economy better. CPI inflation isn't just an economic term. It's something that affects your daily life, from the coffee you buy to the rent you pay. The more you understand it, the better you can manage your money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss updates on important financial topics. Thanks for watching.